What is the
Yes, sir.
syllabus? What are the papers they have to learn?
Pharmacognosy, organic chemistry, physical chemistry, pharmacology, industrial pharmacy, inorganic chemistry, pathophysiology, biotechnology, some instrumental analysis. Some more is there, sir.
Okay. Tell me
Total.
which out of all these 9 subjects you told, which subject you don't like?
All subjects somewhat better, some not.
Yeah, but which one?
Organic chemistry, I have interested, sir,
Okay.
somewhat.
Then which you don't like? That's what I asked.
Which I don't like. Um, Physical pharmaceutics, sir.
What is physical pharmaceutic?
Physical pharmaceutics, cosmetics and drugs.
Cosmetics and
Based on
drugs.
its dispensary and pharmacy, sir.
Whenever a common person knows about pharmacy, what will be the first thinking he has?
Medical's preparation.
Is it medical
Drug.
preparation for a normal person, or he will think about pharmacy? Pharmacy for a normal person is what?
Medical shop running business.
So
We
is
can
it not a
keep
physical pharmacy? So the
What's
most
that?
important of pharmacy is what?
Research field.
Once you do research, we cannot sell. What is the purpose? See, I identified a medicine, but I am not able to give it to anybody. What is the purpose?
The drug concentration that any disaffects.
No, research, making product, all that is not important. Most important is giving to people, public.
How much result is the drug is giving?
How do I take this to the people? Physical.
For medical shop.
Yeah, that is what is physical pharmacy.
Yes, sir.
So you don't like actually what is to be done. So first thing what is to be done is you write down all the topics. What are you are studying now?
I was studying B.Pharm third year plus fourth year.
Okay, you tell me what are the subjects now you have to study.
I was studying pharmacology,
Tell me what is
biotechnology,
pharmacology?
anatomy, sir, body,
What
total
is
body.
pharmacology?
Pharmacology is dealing about total body, how system is working.
That is anatomy. Anatomy is different, pharmacology is different. You tell me what is pharmacology, what is anatomy?
Pharmacology is dealing on animals, that testing.
Pharmacology means animals. Testing on animals. Pharmacology, give one example of pharmacology, you tell me. Whenever you take a drug, how is that affecting the body is what is pharmacology, no?
What body does the drug, what drug does the body.
Yeah. If your father drinks alcohol?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Some relatives?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. How do they behave without drinking? After drinking, how do they behave?
After drinking, they will do somewhat overactions.
Yeah. Why is it
and
happening?
some other reactions.
The reactions in the
Body.
with the drug.
Yes, sir.
So what is the best example of pharmacology? Before alcohol, after alcohol. Before medicine, after medicine. There is a difference in the body, the way they react. So how do a body react to a medicine or any drug, any consumption? That can be food also.
Yes.
Food is also medicine. Assume somebody gives a mirchi, hot mirchi. How do you behave? Immediately body reacts. So reaction of the body is called pharmacology. Now you read your textbook, you will understand perfect.
Okay, sir.
Understood? So
Yes, sir.
every subject, what you should do is look at every topic word by word. Oh, I know pharmacology, I know anatomy. Don't think like that. Look at word meaning in the dictionary. What is pharmacology? What is anatomy? Now today you have to write down at least 20 words from each subject.
Okay, sir.
That words can be title, chapter title. Chapter title, that's enough. Suppose you have to study about the house. First thing you should know what is bedroom, what is kitchen, what is bathroom, what is hall. If you don't know that, what will happen? You understood?
Understood, sir.
So then you should know what is inside kitchen, what is inside bathroom, what is inside hall, what is inside bedroom. So every subject look at from outside. Look at chapter wise. So when you get into a bedroom, you know there has to be a bed, there has to be a cot, there has to be an almara, there has to be a mirror. When you go to kitchen, there has to be an oven, there has to be a stove, all that you know. So inside identify main components. Write down that. Look at the dictionary and understand.
Okay, sir.
Then tomorrow, you are called Ramyasri or Ramasri?
Ramyasri.
So Ramyasri will enjoy learning much better.
Okay, sir.
Got it? Now what you should do, like this you do once. Your GPAT exam, look at syllabus. No training, no book, nothing. Look at the syllabus. Take all the content title page. Look at you create a notebook. Topics, and you create a notebook in which write down all the topic headings. Look at it from understand. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then after 1 week, you know, oh, this I don't know anything. This I know little bit. You will get some idea.
Okay, sir.
Then what you should do? Take that, go and search on the internet.
In detail.
Yeah, there can
In
be
detail.
YouTube, there can be PowerPoint presentation, there can be PDF. If you don't get anything, then ask me, I'll tell you everything.
Okay, sir. Sir, one more doubt. After completing this B.Com, either I somewhat disturbance that I want to go to M.Com or another course. Which is better is
See,
not knowing. Sir.
now 4 years you studied. Now you know whether that is what you wanted to study or something else.
Yes, sir.
That you have to decide. Because it's only a graduation, that's only a basic course. So the basic course can decide whether you want to do a master there, so that you can become teachers. Okay. Or do you want to do some job, go to some pharmacy, research centers like technology labs, biotech, Shanta Biotech, Bharat Biotech, so many are there, na? Vimta labs.
Yes, sir.
Go to such place, work for some time. Or do you want to do an MBA to learn about the business? Or do you want to start a pharmacy? You decide yourself. But what to be done is, if you don't do M.Pharm now, in the whole life you will never do it.
Okay, sir.
MBA anytime you can do. Because it is not.
M.Com in one time, it will give you some other choices also.
Yeah. Suppose you want
In
to
all way it will.
continue pharmacy, this is the right time.
Okay, sir.
Get into business, doing MBA, studying something else, all that you can do any point of time. But M.Pharm if you want, and you want to do it in the best college, your GPAT you want to pass, this is the right time.
Okay, sir.
So this chance you should not miss. You can try, and then if you don't get, that's a different matter. But in whole life you will feel, yeah, I tried. Okay, getting or not getting is a different, because B.Pharm there are many colleges, lakhs of people come out.
Yes, sir.
M.Pharm it's only 10%, less than 10%, not too many seats.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if you pass M.Pharm, definitely you can become teacher. Your teachers are all M.Pharm only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then you can go for research if you want. You can get a PhD. You can become doctor of pharmacy. And you have to compete with, there are D.Pharm students with 5 years course equivalent to doctor.
Yes, sir. 6 years.
Yeah, 6-year program. So last 1 month back in our YouTube, Shiksha YouTube, one presentation was by one D.Pharm student from Mysore.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, but they also are in same. They also don't know what is to be done next.
Yes, sir.
That is one possibility. Now assume you finish your course by 2021 August or September, and your entrance exam is only in January.
Yes, sir.
So that 4 months you can study. More than that, what you can do is you can go to edX, Coursera. There are a lot of open school programs, university programs. Now assume I want to study pharmacology. I don't have to join in a college. What I can do is I can go to online and search where is pharmacology available. Open program. Open program means you don't require to pay money. Free program. And that too from the international university. Cambridge University, MIT, London, America. Best universities will give you free course. But not in pharmacology. Look at different topics which you like, which you don't like. Doesn't matter. Look at some topic, you get beautiful lectures, nice notes, lot of knowledge. Keep on doing it. So assume Ramyasri gets married to somebody who is in America. Immediately all the certificate you can show, they will give you scholarship, admission, everything based on this extra course. Because B.Pharm is only a normal program. There will be lakhs of people. But not many people will have certificates from Cambridge, American University. Very less people will
Yes,
have.
sir. Yes, sir.
That you have to get. So whatever subject you are studying now, you are anyway online. You can also do another online.
Sorry, sir. Voice cut.
You can do another online course even now parallelly. So don't wait for the course to be over. Now itself you start. Now you have told 9 subjects you have to study. All the 9 subjects register for online program
Okay,
from
sir.
different university.
Okay, sir.
Look at the course, notebook, study, lecture, write examination. Some university will ask you to pay some money for giving certificate. Don't pay money. All free programs only you search. Search and find out which are all the free programs. So I want Ramyasri to pass at least next 3 months 4 or 5 certificates from abroad university.
I will try, sir.
You can do, not try, do it.
I will do, sir.
Yeah. When you do that, you feel proud. Yeah, I have got certificate from this university, this university, this university, this university. You will feel great. Your confidence
Sir,
will improve.
thank you, sir.
Confidence will improve. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then you write entrance, you get into this admission, or maybe you get married, go abroad, study somewhere, all that. Don't leave education now. That too, your pharmacology interest you should continue. But assume you don't get admission. Then you can think, if it is not a good place, don't go.
Okay, sir.
If it is a normal, ordinary college, don't go for M.Pharm. If you want to become a lecturer, any M.Pharm from any college is good enough.
Okay, sir.
Okay. But that option is last option. If
Yes,
that
sir.
is also not happening, then think of changing the track.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, keep pharmacology only now. Another option is competitive exams. Anybody can do.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Your Yamini wanted to do civil service.
Yes,
But
sir.
I don't know what, she has not in contact with me. Then you probably you should decide. Maybe once you decide that up to 2021, 2022, I want to try this. If it doesn't happen, then change your track. Or
Okay, sir.
now you decide, I don't want pharmacology. Hey, it's boring. 4 years I studied. I am not interested at all. Then change your track now itself.
Okay, sir.
That you have to decide. Think, write down, make a table. 2021 I want to do this, 2022 I want to do this. 2024 I will become like this. Don't write 2022 I will get married, 2024 I will have 3 children and all that. That everybody will have.
No, no, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So think bigger. Education, profession, getting into higher position, all that you should think.
Yes, sir.
Tell your brother also. He is a computer science, but don't wait and look for job. BTech is a professional program. He has to get lot of certificate, Coursera, edX, Open University, supply chain management, data sciences, design thinking. There are so many subjects related to computer science.
Yes, sir.
Ask him to write down which are all the major topics internationally demand today. Do all the program.
Okay,
And
sir.
assume you don't get a job also, tomorrow you can start this teaching many people and get money at sitting at home also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is your younger brother doing?
He is doing HCL company. In HCL company he is doing, sir.
What is HCL company he is
Tech
doing?
B, Tech,
You tell
Tech
that
B
no?
course he is completed, sir.
Which course?
Tech B course he complete. Tech B.
What is that?
That after BTech, some members are nowadays not getting job, no, sir. Within 1 year, they are completing course and they will giving jobs, sir.
So after plus 2.
Yes, sir. And they are giving scholarship that two ways, sir, studying and getting job,
So
doing job.
he is already working in HCL and he is
Sir.
doing bachelor program under HCL. Bachelor of
Yes,
Technology.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So he is smart.
Yes, sir.
Good. You are in which place you said?
I am in Khammam, sir, Telangana.
Yeah, Khammam is where I came, no? Khammam I came. Where did I come in Khammam? Did I came to Khammam anytime? How do you know? How do I know? How do I know whether I came to Khammam sometime or not? How do I know? How do I remember whether I came to Khammam?
After I am saying Khammam,
K-A-M-M-A-M, huh?
KHAMMAM.
K-H-A-M-M-A-M, Khammam. Khammam is close to Paloncha?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. It is in Khammam district, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is how I do. When I want to know whether I came to Khammam, I go to YouTube and then search whether Khammam. So immediately Paloncha, my talk, Navabharat Public School.
Yes, sir.
That will come in the YouTube. So I remember, yeah, I came to Khammam. Otherwise, I don't remember whether I came to some place. Paloncha, I went to degree college. Yeah, 3 places I went. I came to some of the engineering college also sometime, I think. Yeah, Khammam. Close, that is, Khammam is close to, there is, there are mining happening in Khammam, right?
Yes, sir. Singareni.
Yeah, near to that some place I came. Near to that, some place I came sometime.
Kottagudam, sir.
Kottagudam I came. Kottagudam, some engineering college I came. That is long back, maybe 10 years back. Kottagudam. Yeah. I stayed there 3 days in Kottagudam, one of the engineering college.
Okay, sir.
And then trained a lot of students. So that was my first visit. And while coming, some cycle fellow just drove in front of my car and the car hit him. He has fallen on the glass, and then I took a bus and then traveled. He was caught. That was taxi fellow. Good experience, no? Kottagudam. There are many great
He
experiences.
safe or
Lot of memories in
safer, sir.
Kottagudam. Yeah.
oh,
So study well. You have to do lot of. You must be very busy every day. Ready?
yes, sir.
Have you seen my visit in Kottagudam, Paloncha, Navabharat?
No, sir.
Yeah. What you should do is Dr. TPS Navabharat. Search on YouTube
Okay, sir.
and then type
Doctor?
DRTPS. That's my name.
Okay, sir.
DRTPS. And then type Kottagudam. Then you will see what I have done in Kottagudam, what I have done in Paloncha, what I have done in Navabharat. All that you will know.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Good enough? Anything more to ask?
No, sir. Thank you,
So
sir.
now after you study, I know little bit only pharmacology. I did a course on pharmacology
Oh,
because I am a psychotherapist. We have one paper, anatomy, pharmacology, all that I also learned. I wrote examination, got good marks.
okay,
Okay.
okay, sir.
I taught somebody also pharmacology. One full paper I taught. So now you should learn many subjects, and then next time Demyasri should teach me different topics. Fine.
Okay, sir.
So GPAT full syllabus, different titles, like what I explained now. In a house you have got this, that. You must tell
Okay,
pharmacology
sir.
means these are all the different classes, these are all the different subjects, and each subject means this you must be able to tell.
Okay, sir.
Only concentrate in studies, nothing else.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Enjoy.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you. Tell regards to brother, smart brother, elder brother also. Computer science brother also.
Okay, sir.
What is your
Okay, sir.
brother's name?
One elder brother name Hari Prabhakar, sir. Hari Prabhakar. Another one Devender, sir.
Oh. Then father's name?
Lakshmi Narayana, sir.
Lakshmi Narayana. And mother? Parvati.
Uma.
Uma is Parvati only, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So the whole house is a Shiva's place, zoo. Zoo, correct?
Yes, sir. We are in village only, that forest only, sir.
A zoo is also, Shiva's house is a big zoo with lion, peacock, snake, bull, everything is there in Shiva's house.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.